Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the card in hand, so reveal the QR area and remove any plastic cover. This matters because glare prevents scanning. Next, unlock your smartphone, open the camera app or the Roblox app scanner, and make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Once done, hold the card steadily about 6–12 inches away. This distance lets autofocus find the code. If your camera won't read, switch to the in-app scanner, which can be more tolerant of reflections and oblique angles. You're now scanning. Position the QR square in the middle of the viewfinder and keep your hands steady. Movement blurs the code and stops recognition. Once the camera detects the pattern, it usually reads within 2 to 3 seconds. Make sure the whole code is visible and not cropped. If you're in the Roblox app, tap the scanner button and follow on-screen prompts. If the card has both code and QR, the app may accept either. If nothing happens, move slightly closer or further and retry. Small shifts often fix it. After a successful scan, you'll be taken to the Roblox redemption page where you confirm the card and apply the balance. Make sure the account shown is the one you want to credit. If the scanner fails, manually type the printed code into the redeem page. This bypasses camera issues. Finally, if neither method works, try a different phone or clear the camera lens and retry. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with a photo of the card and purchase receipt for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.